Hi, George. I have the next task I'd like you to do. It's a little boring, but I think it'll be really helpful. I am changing somewhat the way I have the slide decks organized. I have gone through all of the lessons throughout all of the units of level 3 and figured out a universal way to label them. So I'm going through the ones you've done and just making some tweaks to it. As I do that, I am putting those tweaks into the Unit 1. I created a folder for each of the units, and into Unit 1, I am putting my new version that has more general title slides. What I'd like you to do is make a copy of each slide deck that I put into Unit 1. I'd like you to make a copy and put it into each different unit. So I'm going to show you, right now there's 3 in there. There might be more later, but right now there's 3. So starting off with Introduction to Unit 1. You open up the slide, click on File, Make a Copy, Entire Presentation. I have done all the way through Unit 6, so I'm going to start at Unit 7. So I'm going to erase the copy of, and I'm going to go Introduction to Unit 7. Then I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to find Unit 7. I have to go the back arrow first, and then I have to find my Unit 7. Click on that. Go the forward arrow. If the folder's empty, you're good to go. Okay, and then I click OK. So that one's finished. I'll do one more, so 8 will be finished. So you'll just have to do 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now, what I want you to do when you finish is, now that you know it's Unit 7, there are just a couple slides I want you to change to Unit 7. So the first one, this will be Unit 7. The second slide, this will be Unit 7. And I think that's it for the introduction. All right. Then you can close that one. Go back to the original. Make a copy. Entire presentation. Again, rename. Now we are on Unit 8. Go down here. Go back. Go to Unit 8. You can check in the folder. Select. OK. Change in the first couple slides the titles to Unit 8. So the first one will be Unit 8. The second one will be Unit 8. Okay. Now, again, I can close that one, and then you would just go ahead and make another copy and finish up for Unit 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, I'm going to close that, and I'm going to go back to the next one. Unit 1, Lesson 1, Vocabulary. I've done a few. I know Unit 6 is finished, and I think I did 1 and 2, but we can also check. So, as I open this up to make a copy, File, Make a Copy, Entire Presentation. Let's say you don't know if I did this one already. So I put Unit 2, Lesson 1, Vocabulary. I go down here, and I go back, and I go to Unit 2. Oh, I see I already have Unit 2, Lesson 1, Vocabulary in there. So I'm going to go out. I'm going to rename this Unit 3. Let's check if I already have that. I'm sorry I didn't keep track, but just double check. This one I don't have. So everything after Unit 2 you'll need to do. Well, except now I'm doing Unit 3. Okay, so now I go ahead and select. I click OK. There's one extra slide to change on here for the unit. Do the first one, Unit 3. Second slide is Unit 3. We will later go in and do page numbers and such, and then the third slide is also going to be Unit 3. So this one has a couple extra. Okay, then that one is finished. You go back, you do your file, make a copy, entire presentation, and this time it's going to be Unit 4, and you're going to go into the Unit 4 folder. And Unit 6 is finished, so you can skip that one. And then finally, I'm going to close that, and finally there is one more that I started, and that is the listening and speaking exercise, so go ahead and open up that one. File, make a copy, entire presentation. I don't think I did Unit 2, so let's see, Unit 2. Well, this one's in a weird spot. I don't know why. I'm just going to find my folder. I don't know why it's not where it should be. So I can just kind of go through and find the correct folder if it's not where it's supposed to be. Unit 2, setting goals. Oh, I already have that one in there, so I'm going to change this to Unit 3 and start that whole process again. It shouldn't be like that. They all should be in that folder already, so I'm not sure why that happened. All right, now I'm going to select Unit 3. I'll better check. Oh my goodness, I did that one too. I'm so good. Oh wait, no, that's vocabulary. This is listening, speaking. We're good. Okay, never mind. We're good. And then once we get it in there, again, you're going to change the labels. Unit 3. Unit 3. Unit 3. The first 3 pages. All right, and that one's closed. I'm going to do one more thing because now I think I looked at that wrong. So I've got to see if it was in Unit 2 or not. Yeah, it is. Okay, great. I just wanted to. So I'm just going to close that. Okay, so that's basically what I need you to do. I doubt I'm going to have any more time this weekend to add more, but as I revamp each of the lessons for the unit, I'll put them into this Unit 1 folder. So if I also do grammar next, then you'll see it in there, and you can do the same thing. Get one template into each of the leveled folders. All right, pretty boring, but it'll give us it'll be a real efficient way to get everything populated for the next phase. All right, thanks, George. If you have any questions, go ahead and email me. Talk to you later. Bye.